Hey everyone, okay, so I've just had a shower and now feels like the perfect time to show you one of the world's oldest foundation, which is still one of the best on the market. Now this is by William Tuttle and this is their cream foundation. Now I've reviewed this many years ago, but it still holds up as one of the best foundations on the market. It's a cream-based formula that is very emollient, so ultra dewy skin before you powder it. It covers pretty much most things and can be applied really sheerly or for full coverage. Now, guess what this foundation doesn't claim? It doesn't claim to make your wrinkles less, it doesn't claim to add 1000% hydration or all the other nonsense claims that we hear from all the foundations nowadays. What this does is cover the skin. Now this has been around since the 40s, I believe, which is a long time and it's still incredible. There are also blushes and special highlighters and contouring products so you can create the best look. Just set the skin, depending on your skin type, and you will end up with a flawless, and I mean flawless, poreless, beautiful, gorgeous visage. It's one of the best products on the market. You also get a huge amount of product for the price. Hands down, it's an absolute winner. Let me know. Bye-bye.